Hello, I'm thrilled to guide you through the exciting process of setting up a MikroTik account. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for your journey into mastering MikroTik CHR. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is create your MikroTik account. Think of it as your passport to the world of MikroTik cloud-hosted routers. So you head over to the MikroTik website, www.mikrotik.com, to get started. Once you're on the MikroTik homepage, look for the account option. It's usually prominently displayed. Just click on it. This will take you to the client area where you have the option to either sign in or register for an account. I'm assuming you don't have an account just yet, so go ahead and click register. Now, it's time to tell MikroTik a bit about yourself. Don't worry, don't ask what you had for breakfast. Just fill in your essential details, your name, email address, country, accept terms, and complete the CAPTCHA. Make sure to use an email you have access to, as MikroTik will send your password as well as important updates and information there. After submitting your details, you check your email inbox. MikroTik will send you an email containing your credentials. This step is crucial to ensure the security of your MikroTik experience. Step 5, you log in and explore your dashboard. Once you have received your credentials, log into your MikroTik account. This is where the magic happens. Just take a moment to explore your dashboard, familiarize yourself with the layout. It's a command center for managing licenses, accessing resources, and staying updated. CHR licenses are essential for running MikroTik cloud-hosted routers. Here at this section in your dashboard, you can see CHR licenses, or CHR keys, transfer CHR prepared keys. Here you can obtain and activate your CHR license. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this shortly in a future video, so stay tuned. Next, let's talk about actually installing our CHR instance on a virtual machine.